Department of Transportation warning drivers that this storm could take a lot longer to clean up.
Not because crews aren't ready, but because extreme cold, as Kevin was saying, really limits how effective road treatments can be. Our WLWT News has Rachel Whalen live tonight to explain their concern. Hi, Rachel.
Hi, Cherie and Mike. ODOT says they will have 140 crews across the tri-state out tomorrow, including 35 here in Hamilton County. But it's actually not the snow they're the most worried about. It's those freezing temperatures that could lead to icy conditions. Winter hasn't even technically begun, but we've already seen several rounds of snow across the tri-state. So far, it's been manageable. Roads cleared, traffic moving, but ODOT says tomorrow night will be a different story.
This time is much more troublesome for us because of those super cold temperatures, getting down into the single digits.
ODOT spokesperson Kathleen Fuller spoke with us at the Clinton County Garage, where salt trucks are loaded and ready to go. Crews have already pre-treated the roads for today's system, which ended up bringing less snow than expected. That salt helps, but only to a point.
When you get into single digits, really there's very little that works. So our concern is whether or not that pavement's going to be clear before the temperature drops that much. And then at that point, it's just kind of a waiting game with Mother Nature, getting some sunshine and putting the plows down to kind of clear the roadways and break it up.
That means the most dangerous window will be Saturday night into Sunday morning, when the snow ends but the bitter cold locks in place. Drivers are urged to stay off the roads, but if you have to go out, slow down, allow extra travel time, and give plows plenty of space to work.
We use the phrase passable, not perfect. I think, I've heard a lot of my counterparts saying that, and it's true. Roads aren't going to be perfect, and you shouldn't expect them to be, especially when you're talking about several inches of snow.
ODOT also warning about snow that could blow onto roads even after they are plowed, because it will be so windy, especially in rural areas where there aren't windbreaks. Again, just reminding drivers to be safe and smart out there. I'm reporting live tonight. Rachel Whalen, WLWT News 5.
All right, Rachel, that pretty backdrop reminds us it kind of is the calm before the storm.